Alright, so I got 2 hair clips. Hopefully this fixes the solution for now. I really hate my bangs, guys. Like, I really want to, like, just outgrow them because this isn't working anymore. You know, I don't like them. But anyways, let's get right into this unboxing because I'm ready to see if this is what I wanted. But anyways, let's open this right here. So, you know, I'm going to just rip this right here. And I don't want to show my address, but it's kind of hard. Last night was a really good day. Oh, I just hit my throat. It hurts. But guys, I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial today because, you know, I want to try something different because I feel like all this is not working out. Alright, so anyways. Okay, so what I received here is a L'Oreal Paris matte foundation. And it's supposed to last 24 hours. And I hope this is the shade of my skin because, Lord help me. Alright, so I ordered this online and I ordered the caramel beige. And like I thought it was going to be darker, but so far it looks like it could be the same color. But we're going to do a video and a review. And I'm going to do a full face with makeup. And then you guys are going to see like how it turns out and if I like it or not. I really hope that like this is the right color as like my skin. It so far kind of looks like the same color as my skin, but yeah, let's do this makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm looking a little bit rough, but I just did my eyebrows off camera, and this bang is hanging out. But anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyeshadow first because if I do my foundation then there will be fallout from the mascara, and then I'm also going to be baking my face. So the product I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. primer, and I'm going to be using the Airspun loose face powder. And yeah, so pretty much I'm going to do a little time lapse, and you guys will see how I do the look. And then also today for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Sparkly Wine Concealer Palette. I can't stand when cars do that around my house, but it's a lot more so that's why people do it. But today, I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette right here. I'm not sure what kind of look I'm going for yet. And then I'm also going to be using the Beauty Glaze Sunset Dust palette right here. And then I'm also going to be using the Impressed Beauty Glaze palette. And pretty much I'm going to try to bring what kind of I'm not going to look at inspiration pictures. I'm just going to blend and see how it all comes out. And probably do a cut crease. And then yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And also let's get Okay, so as you can see from the other clip, it looks pretty different now. So pretty much, oh my gosh, that looks weird. Alright, so pretty much it's like red to like orange, and I'm pretty much going for a sunset look. And now I'm going to bake my face, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal, what did I say, concealer? L'Oreal foundation, and I hope I like it. I'm going to try it out for the first time, and you guys can see my final thoughts and stuff at the end. So pretty much it's really messy. Let's smooth all it out. So I like using this brush because it feels a lot better on my face. I feel this is my first time ever using like a foundation like this. Alright, so if you look at my face, my under eyes look really dark. Like really dark. So I'm going to clip my hair back more. And try to, try not to mess it up. Alright, I'm going to have to fix that part. Also fix your under eyes. Okay, so now that I have the foundation on my face, I'm going to be contouring my face now, and oh my gosh, I need to put some up there. But now I'm going to be contouring my face and blending it all, and then you guys will see the final result after once I do all that. So I'm going to contour, and then I'm going to bake. I'm going to bake.
Okay, so I'm looking a little bit rough, but this is how the eyeshadow looks so far. And I'm gonna be putting on these fake eyelashes, and yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm all done, and pretty much this is how the look looks like, and pretty much this is how the look looks like, and pretty much, yeah, so I'm all done with my makeup, and I look so Asian, guys, like, why? But anyways, I would rate this foundation right here probably a 7, mainly because, so I heard somebody downstairs, and I asked my mom to check if there's anyone downstairs. Oh my gosh, this is freaking me out. But anyways, I heard someone downstairs, and my mom just texted me saying that there's nobody downstairs. I'll show a text. You guys don't believe me right there, but the reason why I rate this foundation a 7 is because at the top of my head, but like I said, at the top of my head, my mom called. If you can see, it's like crumbly. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like that. But anyways, that's what I would rate the foundation, and I hope you guys like this video. Also, be sure to subscribe, like, and become a part of the family.